thought it was. He thought it was. He thought it was. Charleston. He thought it was. Charleston. He thought it was. He thought it was. Charleston. He thought it was. He thought it was. Charleston. He thought it was. He thought it was. He thought it was. Charleston. He thought it was. He thought it was. He thought it was. Charleston. He thought it was. He thought it was. I'm Charleston White from Fort Worth when I run shit. I run shit. Little Soulja boy can't 10 deep, but I made shit. I made shit. But getting the same spread him 2 times. He wanna talk shit.
Wanna talk shit?
Bitch, who running now? 10 man down. 10 man down.
He sprayed the player. He sprayed the soldier. Ah, he sprayed the soldier. Ah,
SOD. Why y'all just standing there when they're hugging and shit? Do something. SOD on the game. SOD. Y'all just standing there. Why y'all ain't do nothing when the one-eyed nigga sprayed the shit on me? Y'all a trip. Oh, man. Fuck y'all nigga, man. Bitch ass nigga. Nigga, go get my Draco. Go get my Draco. Go get my Draco, nigga. Goddamn. Bitch ass nigga. Hey, I'm Team Charleston White tonight. That's how you represent Fort Worth. That's how you represent Fort Worth. Yeah, anything it takes to win. Anything it takes. Gun, knife, it don't matter. Yeah, that's all you had. That's all you needed, bitch. This right here, this little shit right here, it stopped 10 guys. It stopped 10 SOD niggas. 10 of them. This right here. You don't need no gun. You don't need, hey, you lucky. You lucky you ain't get hit with this, bitch. You lucky you ain't get stabbed with this. We'd have heard you say, yo. Yeah, we'd have heard you holler. Nigga, you would have screamed, nigga. That's all you need. Nigga, you don't need no gun. No, when them niggas run down on you, oh. Go like 12 feet, 13 feet away. Nigga, get back. Get your screaming in the phone ass with the bang right here ass back, nigga. Get back, nigga. Yeah, we don't need no Draco. Yeah, Draco for 10 niggas. I can't believe this stopped 10 niggas. 10 real street niggas. That's what they say. What y'all blood? What y'all? Yeah, you know, y'all ain't, you know, y'all pay y'all. Yeah, blood, whatever, y'all. It stopped 10 niggas. Y'all see how this red? He pushed the red button. The red button right here. He stopped the blood with this. He stopped the blood with this. The red button. Ladies, it's all you need. Sometimes, it's all you need. In the crowd, them bitches trying to jump you. Yeah, get back. Yeah, if this could stop Soulja Boy, take your L, cause Texas never fails. When have you ever, in the Texas history, when have you ever seen a Texas nigga outside of Texas lose? They don't lose to them niggas like you. Only by the police. Only time you see a Texas nigga die is by another Texas nigga. Yeah, not by no nigga like you. No. You ain't had a vein. Where was that vein at? You were supposed to be on your I came to bring the pain, hardcore to the vein. Hardcore to the vein. Nigga, not the pain, the vein. Oh yeah, you did have a vein. When he sprayed your ass, all the veins came out. Now everybody comment below, Soulja Boy that took about 3 L's. Yeah. Rico Reckless, yeah. Casanova, and my favorite motherfucker, my favorite. Charleston White, that's my favorite motherfucker right here. Yeah, say. I'm gonna get him my Charleston White shit. Say. I'm the nigga. Yeah. You took a L. Yeah, Rico Reckless tried to get you out that hotel room. You remember? I remember. You remember. Yeah, he was trying to send you to the upper room. When all that done. And Casanova, that's my second favorite. Yeah. You was talking all crazy, all that shit to old girl. You know how you do. You be talking crazy with the bang right there in the phone. Yeah. You niggas don't know me. Nigga, I'm from Atlanta, nigga. I'm from Simpson Road. I'm from Boston too, nigga. Sean Cotton, no jumper. Flag TV, y'all niggas keep my name out your mouth, nigga. Trying to call me for an interview, nigga. Y'all nigga, I'm scared of his car, all that shit there, yeah. And Casanova, he got in your face. He said you was on powder. You was on that powder bag, yeah. I don't do no powder. All I do is smoke weed, bro. I don't even toot my nose. All I do is smoke weed, bro. I wasn't even yelling at no girl. Cass, calm down. Nah, I ain't even like that. You know they be tripping, trying a nigga. I wasn't even like that. And he tried your security guard. He ain't do nothing. Yeah, so you done took some L's now. Oh yeah, nah. You only had one little W. That's self-defense. That don't count. That was self-defense. You ain't no murderer. No, the nigga smacked you too. He said he smacked you twice. He smacked you. You ain't like that when Vlad interviewed a boy. You ain't like that, dude. That's what the issue is with Vlad. You ain't like that. He interviewed a boy in the world, scene, all that. He said he smacked you twice. What's up, the man? Stand your ground, bitch. Stand your ground. Like you said, if you'd have been in LA, back to the jailhouse. It's back to the jailhouse. Ain't no stand your ground over there. Yeah, you said it. Yeah, you lucky you was in Atlanta. That's why you from Simpson Road, and you from Bompton, and you from Chicago. All that nigga, you all mixed in one. And you done bang everything. Nigga, you done bang everything. Nigga, you a go Power Ranger. Now, you a Power Ranger. You is a Power Ranger. But guess what? You must be the red one. You the red Power Ranger. Yeah. Hey, your name ain't Soulja Boy no more. Still Soulja, but Soulja Mace. Soulja Mace. You got Mace. Soulja Mace. Not Soulja Boy. You ain't Soulja Boy. No. You gotta earn that. You gotta earn that. No. Yeah, cause that's too close to Soulja Slim. It's too close. You ain't getting no permission from Miss Tap. You ain't getting no permission from Miss Tap to say that there. Or you don't walk around like me. See, I walk around like the military. I walk like the soldiers. Yeah, the real soldiers. Yeah, you'll do that, and you ain't Soulja Slim. Yeah, so. And last but not least, this the best one. Everybody know you ain't a soldier because Master P ain't none of your videos. So nigga, stop repping like you down with my shit. Representing real true click. Yeah, we represent that true click. Yeah, that's that big head. You don't know about the big head. Rest in peace, big head. Yeah. But hey, I want to hear all that shit talking. Go live. I want to see that I won. You took an L. Now, Soulja, you know what song you need to be playing, don't you? Lil Durk. Yeah, L's. Throw the L's up because he maced them. Yeah. Throw the L's up because he maced them. Yeah, not the L anthem. No. Throw the L's up because he maced them. Everybody sing it now. Throw the L's up because he maced them. Yeah, he maced that nigga. And Soulja Boy on live right now talking about, don't be talking all that shit. If you gonna pull Mace, bruh, you can pull Mace out. You can pull a taser, brass knuckles. It don't matter. You can do all that there to win. What you nigga talk about? Hey, you be talking all that shit, then you can't even look a nigga in the eye. You know how many times we done seen Charleston White stand on 10? More than you? In front of whites, blacks, gangsters, the courthouse. The courthouse. I done seen Charleston White, it be a crowd full of white people, and he still talking shit to him, yelling. Yeah, standing on 10 by himself, shirt off. Telling the white people, yeah, I pimp all y'all hoes. Where the white hoes at, I pimp them. We rape them, all that. Yeah, he done did that in front of them. You ain't did nothing like that. Yeah, you ain't never stood up to no 30, 40 gangsters at one time. Yeah, yelling. Same energy, no security. Yeah, he yelling, y'all niggas ain't gonna do nothing. Y'all niggas ain't gonna do shit to me. Yeah, them niggas looking at him. He ain't did that. Come on now. Every time you fold. Every time. In California, you weren't talking all that crazy shit. And that nigga in California tell you, man, shut your lame ass up. Come out of character. Stop acting crazy, dude, for a nigga knock your ass out. He told you that. What you wanna do, blood? Soulja ain't from the hood. So, hey, ain't no nigga did Charleston like that. He can run. He can Mace it, whatever you say he did. He can do that. He still won. He still won. It no matter what you say, what the video show, he won. Yeah, if we say he won, he won. It ain't about what you say, it's about what we say. Yeah, it's about what we say. The fans run everything. Same people that make stars like you rich, that make your songs turn into hits. If we say he won, he won. Hey, Soulja, this is what you need to do. I know how to take the pain away. Drive down there, get in your car, drive down to Dade County, get you a powder bag. Get you a powder bag, numb that whole face. They got that good dope down there. They got that good dope. Hey, y'all don't put no fentanyl in it. Don't do Soulja like that. Don't put no fentanyl in it. Hey, Dade County, do not put no fentanyl in that bag. Y'all gonna sell Soulja Boy. Don't do that. Nah, give him the good shit. Yeah, you ain't gonna feel your face. Yeah, it's okay. Before I trick the hoes, my money goes to my nose. Yeah, you just took an L. Yeah, go. Nah, don't mix the Bobby with the Whitney. Now, don't do that now. Ooh, might be some fentanyl in there. Don't do that now. Ooh, just straight powder. Yeah, go ahead and just. Yeah, by the time you wake up in the morning, yeah, we'll still be laughing at you. Now, we'll still be doing that now. Now, a couple of days go by, then it's all good. We'll forget about it. You know, Charleston do some other shit. You'll forget about it. Unless Charleston keep dragging it. But, yeah, you know what I'm saying? But next week, it'll be all over with. You know what I'm saying? Until you start talking again. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, somebody else going to do some shit. And, yeah, we ain't going to keep thinking about you. But, yeah, that's what you need to do. Get you a powder bag. Get some head. Smoke you some weed. Put the coke in the weed. Roll it up and go to sleep. Go to sleep in the Maybach or something. Hotel, it don't matter. Let her suck you up till you bust, and it'll be all right. You know what I'm saying? At least you ain't get beat up. You ain't get shot or nothing. You ain't get stabbed. So you all good, man. You know? Go.
Charleston Mace, Soulja Boy, and 10 of his friends trying to intimidate Charleston, but they see that Mace in his hand. When they came a little closer, would have put that knife in your skin. He pepper sprayed your eyes, for goodness sake. Mistake did it again. Don't fuck with Charleston again.
See? He old folk work, takes an ex-crip ass nigga. Knife told Mace for a Soulja boy nigga.